We're here, day 7, trading GGP, JPY. And here, I'm about to explain my analysis. Zooming out just to get a quick glance. I'm doing a voiceover since I forgot to record it. But yeah, I see a, what am I marking here? Price going up to that level right there. Kind of, creating a key level. So I marked that out. And I was thinking of taking sells from that. So that's why I entered a sell on my broker. So ladies and gentlemen, I entered like right here, expecting the price to go back down to this level and hopefully breaking this key level and going back down. But the market had other ideas. Actually went to this level, but I needed it to go down even more. I tried to get like a sniper entry. That's why I entered like from all the way up here. But the market had other plans and it just broke out from there. I wanted for a re-entry. As soon as price broke out here, I saw that. But I wanted price to go back to this level right here. But it never did. I'm pretty sure, right? Let me check here. Yeah, it did like all the way over here, but I mean, it didn't even really touch it. So I did take an L, guys, for day 7. But day 8, I'm gonna get back and go back at it with a clear mindset. Thank you guys for watching. So this is me reflecting on my trade today, and you can see price as soon as it broke out, because already lost this trade as soon as it broke out here. I got my entry from like right here. It went down and broke out. So I should have looked at the 1 minute time frame, because as soon as it broke out, it corrected itself right here, right? And I could have got an entry from right here, or marked out this right here. So as soon as price went up, right, you just keep on marking it out. And as soon as price went back to that level of where it corrected itself right there, right, I could have took buys from right here as well. But I was trying to look for a re-entry. But I kept on going up from there because I wanted a re-entry from this level right here, since it was more supported. But I could have took buys from right here as well and could have targeted these highs right here. So that's my reflection for the day. Just got to remember to look at the 1 minute too, because on the 5 minute, if you look at the 5 minute, hold on. Look at the 5 minute. I wasn't really looking at that. I was like in real time looking at here. Price went here. Price went there, right? It got a little smaller and just went up from there. So I had more confidence of entering at this level right here, since it was more supported. Even though it did break out, it was still more supported though. And you see like this area right here, it's not even, there's no red right here. So I didn't even see this because I was on the 5 minute. But on the 1 minute, zoom back to where I was. You see how it was much more clear? You actually see like the rejection here, the rejection to the key level again before it went up. And I could have took buys off of this right here. So my main takeaway was, I still had high confidence in this trade right here of the sell. The only way the sell was actually going to like really play if price broke down this key level here. That was the only way this was going to play out, but it respected the key level. That's why I was kind of watching it right here, but I should have got out way earlier, to be honest. So that's another thing. But yeah, guys, that's my reflection of the trade for day 7. Like, follow, share for day 8 tomorrow, and I'm gonna see if I can get a win. And thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.